was someone at George. Our Minister for Information Communication. Wabe ajandam bi ewo media ne so ama media ne so age ne minimum je dey believe the Asem George the ministry or the propaganda and tro running the ministry the new media Asem George epe wabe di tro afa Google Gemini app bi ho ama media ne so amanfo ba ko madwen a kire be ba nkire mu no a kire wadwen ama me ewo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like video no other about subscribe button na be click notification icon latest update na be kire wadwen dey ama me ewo comment section best also bass no share post anya bi ahwe and you know when you study Sam George yawo there be we busy for nothing man. Sam George body language, he seems busy. He's always busy in body language. Sam George is always busy, but when it comes to results are zero results are zero, but we busy but results are zero. Onim Sam George ministry no just a minimum the entire ode na da tronia de na era ni ministry obeka ya call Independence Day no ana Sam George ebeka say or ne telecommunication network na di nkomo ese omuma Ghana phobia no 3 days package bi a package no auto o de 10 cedis a obenya 5 gig ana all claim say eye ono obetena konwa so no ana one mahama ede aba meanwhile ya fact checking so a say eye ade a every year biano telecommunication network no omoye see do Independence as any festive occasions bia Christmas moon ni ade bia Easter ni ade bia na omoma this particular package. It is another guy say oh Sammy can no cry catch Ghana for can no cry gakra because one kasa ana February o ka person o pass against misinformation and disinformation, peddling of falsehood. It one person o pass against that. Why do you do this? Emma media answer is I'm out for crying. And I was on him said Google, your friend BB Google Gemini. I say one of the AI tools in Google. What I say, student then will be a bit used to idea project be any idea or person. Oh yeah, in fact, me as content creator, any other requirement sometimes me so AI, edit drafting news articles, the writing story, any other just say the AI never be I say a boy, a boy my activity in the media a boy me pa me research be me so AI. And idea research and say mama tell just say adibia be say me who be an AI na ya na eboa e mane fast na nansia mu ana Google that's the AI no omu ya say no omu betro machine because omu pro version and omu free version na it was limited to few countries na a few countries ana ewo access and because of that omu ya say omu betro machine it a share omu trim no ana omu run 1 year solid promo yes Google Gemini free pro plan for students. That offer no, it is going for students. What I say, that offer no is going for students. And I say, free for 1 year, get unlimited chats, image uploads, and quiz generation with more access to our 2.5 Pro model, deep research and audio overviews, plus 2 terabytes of storage, just for students. Offer ends 9th December 2025. Not just say. Offer no ebe end 9th December 2025 omo run promotion the promotion ebe end December ye be wuro me that is next 3 weeks December ye wuro me no the 9th and that offer no ebe end here they started running this offer somewhere July mu eno ma run ya 1 year o subscribe wa just say 1 year after 1 year no next that offer no to all side no end next that particular offer no o subscribe wa as a student, university student, yes, to tertiary university student, particularly, that particular offer, and even on the 8th of October 2025, almost making another post. I'll post this is what they said: bringing Google's best AI tools to university students across Africa at no cost. Yes, purportedly that promo na omu air running promo na Africa, Africa. And running, but in African crown, almost running be Europe, part of Europe, in a Middle East, any Europe, and running this particular promo, any Africa, and running this particular promo. As already we are rolling out our most advanced AI tools for learning to university students in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe for free charge. Just Africa countries here. Omode promo we no Ghana lucky ya ka ho bi Kenya e ka ho bi Nigeria eka ho bi, Rwanda eka ho bi, South Africa eka ho bi, and of Zimbabwe eka ho bi. All these countries no, omo dey more at a free cost. And the moment being that countries when a country they make use of AI the most. And you know, that's almost steady algorithm now. The countries where people make use of their product the most are that countries, you know, and almost run this promotion package for them just a year. What I say, just a year. Ghana hand AI no, you using a pa, you using a pa. I say eligible over hand more. Here's more it is eligible student age 18 plus over 18 years. Let's say Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe can sign up for a 12-month Google AI Pro plan at no cost, which includes our most advanced AI tools. And then ubenya expanded access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, ubenya deep research, ubenya notebook LM, ubenya VO3, ubenya nano banana, 2 terabyte storage capacity. Just say these are the things you will get. That is almost person almost the eboa or mine konkono Ghana. Any other African countries that make use of Gemini app, you know, the most, because they were chat GPT, they were BBB, but countries are almost making use of Gemini, pan Africa, Ghana, Kenya, pan over Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, and other countries. It's yeah no more running that promotion. And just free, provided you are 18 years and you are a university student. You have access to this pro plan. What I say? Now this particular post where now you say promo na omo air run no. And no and we say out of nowhere. Someone na take Georgia or your Minister for Information Communication and Digitalization or call Twitter. No and we keep or come make this particular post. And not say, dear Ghanaian student, as part of our effort to put cutting-edge technology in the hands of our next generation of leaders and problem solvers, I am pleased to announce that until December 9th, 2025, you can sign up to use Gemini app for free for 12 months with 2 terabyte storage as a Ghanaian student. You also get free AI certification training. This is yet another step to empower our citizens and save money for Ghanaian students and their parents. I am grateful to the team of Google for their continued partnership with the MMC Ghana. We would continue to expand this partnership beyond the AI Research Lab and 1 million coders program. Please read the word and take advantage of this opportunity. You can use the links below. And as the Google links now, just over a honor na obenyano that sign up portal no. I go at the buy no don't page as obenyano and non sound a copy and it's all the best chance. I say as part of their efforts. Just and name of person omo ya the poor student our Ghana hanum no omo some do no ya the Ghana hanum no and no request for that particular thing. Just say according to some do say that 12-month free pro plan now of Gemini app now eba Ghana hanum e omo and ede eba. Yes, I'm going to keep post to Enora 17th November 2025. And I'm going to make post to meanwhile Google Gemini app na guys officially almost make you promotion pay on 8th October 2025. But some just ebe genuine. And I was like, okay, but me here. And I'm call Google. To call Google no. And I'm going to the AI mode. Because I'm going to AI question. And I'm going AI say, which countries are available? Which countries are added to the Google Gemini Pro for free? And this is what Google provided. Google's AI Pro plan for students is available in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Some reports also mentioned the addition of Egypt and Morocco to the list. What I say? Let's say, omu crap as almost Morocco and Egypt. I can't be. as part of their, their advertisement that they are run. On Morocco and Egypt. I can't be. And in what I don't know, in general, my countries very crowd have access to the Gemini app Pro no. Now no almost had to be account because I idea almost every year beyond because it started with 3 countries. From time to time, almost the be account home, not almost the be account home, no the be account sana almost no. These are the countries that have access to Gemini app Pro. Gemini app Pro is available in over 150 countries and territories through Google AI Pro subscription. The base Gemini web app is available in over 230 countries and territories. Google AI Pro is available in many locations worldwide, including North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Oceania. Countries with a free student offer. Just say countries here. Free student offer. These are the countries in a 1-year plan. Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Morocco, Egypt, United States, India, Brazil, Japan, Indonesia, South Korea, Saudi Arabia. Students in this region can verify their university status on the Google AI Pro for Student page to access features like Gemini 2.5 Pro and 2 TB of cloud storage. Now I said that post in a Sam.make here all gen a promotion a war no more almost air. And I was in a certain WhatsApp group, and as of 21st October 2025 here, 21st October 2025 here, that is the last month now. And I will be making post to be just or share link about 2 group and we say, for those interested, you can get 1 year of Gemini Pro for free as a student. It comes with notebook, LLM, and other Google AI tools. Or share this link about to your WhatsApp group on 21st October 2025. That day was Tuesday. It was Tuesday, 21st October 2025. Even before some people cry, I make it post to Enra. Na link where the can cry ago viral. Now is adunu hemwa. Some George abedi tro. Na I don't come in service. Ghana phone abe reply no. PK support ever try say, Minister, I don't take Sam Zata George respectfully. This is not accurate. You are misrepresenting the facts of this matter. This had no input of either your ministry or the government of Ghana. Neither you nor the government is making this possible. Google has decided to embark on this project for students in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. It had no government input. Do not create any impression that you are outfit. And for that matter, the Mahama government has pulled this up. Here is a link to the story published by Google. One can clearly see that the decision is entirely that of Google and not our government. It is important this clarification is made so that the facts are not distorted by any form of misinformation. Thank you. PK Sapon, whispers from the corridors of the thinking place. Let's say PK Sapon Krano, ever challenges some just master. I did not can jai. Stop it. Unim says I will post I am trying to woody. And foot na wood to Ghana for Eddie, stop it. Now what TikTok abuza. TikTok is no. I'll reply Sam George.
Why is someone Jata George the Minister of Communication trending? Guys, that big story is that why is someone Jata George being dragged? It may seem as though he has been caught pants down for lying one more time. The truth of the matter is that the people on Twitter are not even joking this time around. They are dragging the hell out of the minister. And for some weird reasons, he has not come out to pull down that post and apologize. Guys, this is the post right here on the screen. Pause and read. Samuel Jatajo decided to take credit for something he has zero contribution to. The truth of the matter is that this particular Gemini app has been existing for over a long time. The truth of the matter is that it has been existing in 3 countries. And Google decided to extend it in 7 more countries, including Ghana. And we woke up this morning to find the Minister of Communication deciding to be populist, to post on his X account, claiming that this is an effort by the government of John Dramani Mahama to make the lives of students better. And I'm like, hello, the people of Ghana, we are well read. We research. We cannot allow anybody to deceive us. The truth of the matter is that X is on fire. They are dragging the hell out of Sam George. But Sam George is still not budging. The truth of the matter is that, guys, as I announced to you, Samuel Jatta George, this is not the first time he has ever deceived the people of Ghana. Let me jog your memory, guys. In March and April 2025, Samuel Jatta George posted on his Facebook wall that the government of Ghana, through the initiative of John Mahama, this is like 1 month or 2 months in office, have engaged with the telecos to give us a reduced data during the holidays, including Republic Day. Guys, not knowing that telecos like Telecel has been providing this particular service for a long time. So people of Ghana were like, where is this guy getting this information from? This too-much bundle has been there for a long time. When did you come to claim that you negotiated it on behalf of Ghanaians? Like, when will you stop lying? For the second time, the minister has been dragged. And I am here and I support this particular dragging with a bag of cement. If you are a minister and you not sit up to work, you will not focus on the most important things. This is how you be embarrassed. President Mahama should call him to order. At this point, he is engaging in too much populism, and this is not what His Excellency George Dramani Mahama appointed him to be doing. It's so embarrassing, and as I speak to you, the post is still on X, and he has decided, because of his ego, not to pull down that post, despite all the criticism. This part of us, let me know what you think about this new development. Signing out.
And I don't know why NDC government, they want to give false glory to who doesn't deserve it. Obekaya, Kufuado, any Tamils, AC, UGMC Hospital, University of Ghana Medical Center, Omo Hospital, UGMC Hospital, Omo see, because Tamils and starting phase 1. Phase 2, Kufuado and starting phase 2, as a complete year, it was started and completed by Kufuado in the call parliament, the BSK, the BC, loan in your call parliament, parliament approve here, or start here, SLU, but still, even be say UGMC Mahama NC, and I wonder where they get their fat from. Even Captain Smart supported this in Kwasiaki Kawi. Sound Kwasiaki Kawi, Captain Smart, into mind. I wonder why NDC government they always want to take glory for something that they have nothing about, they know nothing about. I just wonder. Sammy, and is this why you want to pass the social media cyber crime amendment so that issues like this get me challenge it? Because you make a video on that, you find the video inappropriate to you. It's how they are turning our social media handles down. If this is the reason, stop it. If you want to silence the media so that you get platform to peddle your falsehood, so that people don't criticize you, then with all due respect and with the greatest of respect, it won't work. When you peddle any falsehood, we will come to expose you. So what do you mami? Our comment section. How you Penyah block media? Accra.